What's the meaning of celluloid? Celluloid. Celluloid.
Celluloid. Celluloid. Celluloid refers to a type of plastic that was commonly used in the past for making photographic film and other objects, such as toys and jewelry. It is a highly flammable and unstable material that can degrade over time, resulting in yellowing and warping. While celluloid was once popular due to its affordability and versatility, it has largely been replaced by more stable materials in modern times. Due to the risks associated with celluloid, it is important to handle any vintage items made from this material with care and caution.